All right, let's look at activity 1. You're going to use slides 9, 10, and 11, and you're going to make all the possible rectangles for the given area on each slide. Slide 8 is an example, and I will go over that one with you. When you are doing this activity, you need to use the side lengths only once. So, for example, if you drew 2 units going down and 6 units across for an area of 12 square units, you do not need to also draw 6 units down and 2 across. So, you don't need to be flipping your rectangle. If you already have used those 2 side lengths, you only need to draw it once. Let's go ahead and look at slide 8. So, when thinking of possible side lengths, you need to think about which 2 numbers you can multiply that will equal what the area is. For example, we need to find side lengths that when multiplied together, they will equal 12. So I always like to start with 1, and I know 1 times 12 would equal 12. So I have a width of 1, there's 1 square going down, and I have a length of 12, there are 12 squares long going across. Okay? Then I like to think, what else can I multiply to get 12? So after 1, I always go to 2 and see if I can multiply 2 by a number to get 12. I know 2 times 6 equals 12, so I have a width of 2 squares going down, and I have a length of 6 squares going across. And I know 2 times 6 equals 12. Next, I'm going to think about the number 3. Can I multiply 3 by any number to get 12? Yes, I can multiply 3 by 4, and that will give me an area of 12. So I have 3 going across, 4 going down. I know 4 times 3 would equal 12. So my next number that I would think about would be 4, but I already used 4 times 3, so I can't use that one again. Then I would think, can I multiply 5 by any number to get 12? And after thinking about it, I know that 5 times a number does not equal 12. My next number would be 6, which we already used. So I would stop there. Okay, so you want to make sure that you're thinking of all the possibilities and number pairs that you could multiply to get that area. And we call these pairs factor pairs because when you multiply them together, they give you a product. So these are factor pairs. You're going to go ahead and do the next few slides following the same directions that I did to complete mine. Then you're going to answer a few questions about that activity that you did. Take a look at all 3 slides with the different areas and think about some things that you're noticing as you look at each. And go ahead and type in each slide to answer those questions.